Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Daisy. In today's tutorial, we're going to be sublimating on ceramic tiles using the Cricut Easy Press. And for this project, we're going to need ceramic tiles special for sublimation, a printer with sublimation ink, sublimation paper, heat-resistant tape, 2 heat-resistant mats, or if you have only one, you may use a folded towel, butcher paper, alcohol and a paper towel, this to clean the ceramic tile before transferring the design. Since the back of the ceramic tile is rough, we are going to need either adhesive cork or foam. And if you wish to display them in a standing position, I am using these little standing boards I found at the Dollar Tree. They cost only $1, but they are perfect to display the sublimated photo tiles. And before I continue with the tutorial, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. And we're going to start working with the design in Cricut Design Space. Let's go to upload. I already have one of the pictures I will be using, but I will show you how to upload an image to the design space. Click on upload, browse, look for the folder where you have the file, select it and open it. Select complex and continue. As you can see, this image is big, but it is because it has good resolution. Continue. For sublimation, try to use images with good resolution. If the images look small or pixelated, that means they are low resolution. Select the one that says print, then cut. Name the picture and click on upload. Select the images we wish to use and upload. And like I said before, the images are big. Minimize the canvas, then resize the picture. After that, maximize the canvas again to a 100%. The ceramic tile measures 6 by 6 inches. Let's go to shapes and insert a square. And we're going to change the measurements to 6.20 by 6.20. Just a little bigger than the tile. This so we don't get white lines around the sides. Now place the square on top of the picture. Select both of them and slice. And select the layers that we don't need and erase. The picture to sublimate the tile is ready to print. And we're going to do the same with the other picture. And now both of them are ready. Let's go to make it. Continue. Send to printer. And here we have two options. The first one, we may print straight from here, or we can save it to print in another program. I am printing straight from here, but I will show you how to save it. Let's go to printer, and instead of selecting the sublimation printer, select Microsoft Print to PDF. Remove the bleed and click on Print. It is very important to remove the bleed when saving or printing images for sublimation. We don't need it in this case. Now save it in a folder that is easy for you to access. Now it already saved for you to work or print from another program. Now I will show you how to print from Design Space. Send to Printer, select the sublimation printer, remove the bleed, and click on Print. Since I already set up the printing preferences for sublimation, it already turned the image in mirror mode. If you wish to learn how to set up the printing preferences for sublimation so you don't have to do it every time you print, I invite you to look for my tutorial of how to do this process. Go to my channel and click on videos, and you will find it there. Now click on Print, and if you wish to cut it with the Cricut machine, select Light Cardstock or photo paper. I will cut it with scissors or a guillotine. If you see that the colors of the print are pale, don't worry. Sublimation ink activates with heat. When you transfer the design, the colors will look vivid and bright. The image is bigger than the tile, but we need it like this so we don't get white lines around the tile. Before sublimating, we are going to clean the tile with alcohol and a piece of paper towel. We're going to wrap the tile using the heat-resistant tape. Next, we're going to press the design. We will need 2 heat-resistant mats, or if you only have one, you may use a folded towel. This is to protect the desk or work surface. If you use a heat press, the process is different, so you don't need the 2 mats or the towel. Now place a piece of parchment or butcher paper on top. Place the tile, then another piece of butcher paper on top, and also a folded piece of fabric, or if you have, a heat-resistant silicone layer. Now we're going to press for 300 seconds at 400 degrees. You may apply medium pressure or just leave the heat press on top. Let the tile completely cool down before unwrapping. Unless you're using heat-resistant gloves, because this is going to be super hot. And here is the first sublimated photo tile. And if you notice some white spots, do not worry. They are just only pieces of paper. Get a paper towel and a few drops of water and clean it. Next, we're going to place the adhesive cork or foam on the back of the tile or on the standing boards if you wish to display them that way. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the notification bell. Thank you for your visit and I'll see you in my next tutorial.